Hello everyone, my name is Shashank. I'm from Electronics and Communication Engineering from Honda section from SVCE College. So today we're going to be talking about enhancing digital security, the role of password lockers in protecting sensitive information. So this presentation will brief you about introduction to digital security, understanding password lockers, importance of strong passwords, best practices for password management and securing your data. Introduction to digital security. Data security is crucial in today's world where sensitive information is constantly at risk. This presentation will explore the role of password lockers in safeguarding our data and enhancing overall security protocols. Understanding these tools can significantly improve your personal and organizational security measures. Understanding password lockers. A password locker is a secure application that stores and manages passwords for various accounts. By using encryption and strong algorithms, these tools ensure that your sensitive information remains protected from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Importance of strong passwords. Using strong password is essential for protecting sensitive information. Password lockers help generate complex passwords that are difficult to crack, thereby enhancing your security posture and reducing the risk of data breaches. How password lockers work? Password lockers store your passwords in an encrypted format. When you need to access an account, the locker retrieves it and inputs the password automatically, ensuring that you never have to remember or expose your passwords directly. Benefits of using password lockers. Primary benefits of using password lockers include improved security, ease of access, and the ability to generate unique passwords for each account. This reduces the risk of password reuse, which is common vulnerability in digital security. Understanding password lockers. There are various types of password lockers, including cloud based and local based storage solutions. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, making it essential to choose one that aligns with your security and needs and usage preferences. Best practices for password management to maximize the effectiveness of password lockers. Follow the best practices such as regularly updating your passwords, using two factor authentication, and ensuring your locker itself is protected by a strong master password. The common misconceptions that many people have is that they believe that using a password locker is unnecessary or that it can be easily hacked. In reality, these tools provide a higher level of security than manual password management when used correctly, debunking these misconceptions. Integration with other security option tools. Password lockers can be integrated with other security tools such as antivirus softwares and firewalls. This creates a comprehensive security environment that protects against various threats and enhances your overall digital security. The future of password management is likely to include advantages such as biometric authentication, AI driven security measures. These innovations will further enhance the effectiveness of password lockers in protecting sensitive information. So this is how the code looks in the background. This is a Python code. So we have to input our password if it is matches with the uh, password that we have given in the previous session or when we are creating password. If it matches, it will allow you to go get inside. So in conclusion, to securing your data, in password lockers play a vital role in enhancing digital security by adopting these tools and following best practices. individuals and organizations can protect their sensitive information from potential breaches and threats. And that's all, guys. Thank you for